Okay. You want to do is go to the right top, go to settings, then go to the second one right here, and go to add. It says add or manage your channels. Okay. Let it load. Alright. Now I hit create a channel. Of course, I'm not gonna create a channel on you, so let's make a random name. Okay. You want to hit I understand I'm creating a new Google account with its own settings, creating YouTube stars, and watch history. If you want to know more, you can know more by hitting that link right here. I understand. And that is how you create a channel. So, if you like this video, smash that like button. There'll be some links in the description to vidIQ and TubeBuddy, so if you want to check those out, those will be total game changers for you. That is all. Have a great day.